Hi Hydrogen Group, this is Guita and I'm gonna give you feedback on the debate that we had last week. I'm gonna start by saying what I felt were the points and the aspects of your debate that you could have done better, and hopefully you can improve for the next debate that we're gonna have. And at the end, I'm gonna say what I felt was the good, strong points that you guys made. To start with, I felt you guys spend too much time explaining how the hydrogen energy is produced, and I felt this is something that all the different students at class should have prepared. So maybe you guys should have focused more on why hydrogen is it's better when compared to the different energies that were presented on that day. Secondly, I felt there were really important figures and numbers that you guys presented, but maybe it would be a really good idea to have those numbers expressed in a table on a PowerPoint slide, so it would be easier to understand the numbers and easy to capture what you guys were trying to say. There was something that really didn't happen that much, was introducing the next person to talk, the next person who would be presenting the arguments, and it's important to have this interaction among the different members of the group. Some of the people were relying too much on the notes, and perhaps it would be a good idea to prepare and memorize the information so you guys can express that information easily in a more convincing way. There was definitely a problem with the time. I'm not sure, but I think you guys really spent like around 15 minutes, and although you really dealt very well with the problem, it was still a lot of time. I think by the time you guys had reached the 10 minutes, there were still two people that had to talk. So maybe the time is definitely an aspect that you guys need to improve. Now I'm gonna move on and say what I felt was really good on the presentation. I think it was good that the first person to present did an overall view of what would be covered on the debate, and I think that was good, and that was organized by saying I'm gonna be the one presenting the introduction, and the next person is gonna be presenting the argument X and Y. I think that's really good. I think it was good that one of you guys had an organization in terms of I'm going to be presenting the environmental component, the economical component, and the security component. Although you didn't have time to cover the security component, it was really good how it was structured anyway. It was good when you mentioned that it's really important when comparing the different alternatives to look at the cost effectiveness, economical impact of using a particular energy. I think although the time was definitely a problem, you were all really relaxed, and there was some kind of humor, and I think that's a positive thing to do instead of getting all nervous and stressed. I like the fact that there was some kind of idealism in the presentation. I remember someone saying, this is a bright hope for the future. Yes, we can. I think these type of phrases are really important when you are debating, because these type of things that people are going to actually memorize afterwards. So I think idealism is really, really important when presenting any kind of debate. And I like the fact that at the end, someone mentioned the fact that different companies such as Toyota, Nissan, GM, Ford are already investing in hydrogen, already researching, which means there is a lot of potential since a lot of important corporations are investing in hydrogen. That demonstrates the power of that energy, and that's really good. Overall, it was really good. There was humor, there was interaction, and it was really, really interesting to hear what you guys had to say about hydrogen. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.